Morning guys, welcome to our Bon Voyage van meetup. We're in Stratford on Avon in central England and we're at the Stratford on Avon Racecourse. You can see behind me the fence there, and I'll pan round, you can see some of the racecourse buildings, and it's a fantastic venue. I've got to say a huge thanks to Phil from motorhomer.com for hooking us up with this venue for this van meetup. It's going to be absolutely amazing. You can see here on the infield there's enough room here to house sort of thousands of vans. So we've also got the use of the pavilion here. There's toilets and showers, and we're also going to have a function room there for Saturday night. There's going to be a few talks and also a live Q&A taking place there. So there's lots happening this weekend. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you guys that have been able to make it at such short notice. I appreciate that we only really announced this less than a week ago, but we've been absolutely overwhelmed with the amount of people that have, you know, taken some time off of work and are willing to come down. There's probably something like 140 vans and close to 250 people actually registered on the list to be here. So looking forward to an absolutely fantastic weekend with all you guys. Lots of fun, chat about vans, and have a great time before we head off on our European tour. Morning guys, Saturday morning. We've had probably just under half of the vans arrive late last night and got to meet quite a few new faces that we haven't seen before, which is really good. Today hopefully we're going to get around everybody's vans and have a really good look inside what they've done, and we've also got the rest of the people, up to about 150 vans we're hoping we're going to get in here today. So I'll just take you for a little tour around while everyone's still sort of asleep or waking up, and we'll have a look at these vans around here. So here we are right in amongst all the vans. It's still early. I've seen one or two people stirring, but hopefully we're going to get a lot more in here today. We're having a little get together later on. Here we've hired a little hall. We're going to do a bit of a Q&A. We'll probably record that and we'll show you that a bit later, and then hopefully we'll get to video some of these creations that people have done. But lots of people here already. It's amazing. Can't believe the turnout has been phenomenal. You know, we only posted this about a week ago, so for everybody to turn up at such short notice is really humbling. You know, it's fantastic. So we must have about 40 or 50 vans parked on this field now. Quite a few different sort of motorhomes, a bit of a mixture, sprinters, some VW vans, Iveco vans, and then in the other field here we must have close to, I reckon, 60 vans in here as well, all sorts of shapes and sizes. Absolutely fantastic turnout it's been. I'm just constantly blown away by how many people have travelled all these various distances from as far as sort of Scotland and Southampton and all over the country to be here to see us off. It's just incredible. Go on in, John. Slightly sedate. Yeah.
I have to go on the racecourse. That is brilliant.
Awesome, isn't it?
And I like the twitchiness of it. An air of danger. And two wheels, so I feel much safer.
Creating YouTube is different.
me right at the back? All good? Excellent. Right. First of all, I just want to say massive welcome to everybody. There's some regular faces that we see on a weekly basis, but there's a lot of new faces that I've never seen before. So welcome to everybody, and I just want to say absolute massive thanks for you all travelling this far. I know some of you have come a long way. Some have come from Scotland, some have come all the way from Southampton. I think there was actually a couple from Australia, one from New Zealand. And considering we only put this event together literally in less than a week, I'm just totally blown away by the response. So thank you very much, guys. You know, we all really appreciate it. As I said, this was only really put together in a week. I phoned John about a week ago and said that we've only got, you know, this is our last free weekend before we go on our trip. Is there any way that, you know, can we get a few people together just for a bit of a meet up and a send off just before we go away? So we were looking around for a couple of little campsites in the middle of England, Derbyshire, and we were sort of thinking maybe 10 vans, dozen vans. We were looking at little campsites and that. And then it was thanks to Phil, he came up with this venue. He contacted John and said, I think we can get us on the infield at Stratford Racecourse. That's amazing. So anyway, we've got a few of the guys here together, created a few videos, put the word out literally about 5 or 6 days ago, and here you all are. So absolutely brilliant turnout, and can't thank you enough. We organise a few of these meetups during the year. Now you're getting your vans together. A lot of you have completed your vans, some are only just starting, but we get together quite regularly, and this is what van life is all about, the community and the people. Everybody we've met on these meetups has been absolutely fantastic. I think we're all at the same frame of mind. Do you know what I mean? All got the same goals in life and all got the same outlook, and we've always had a fantastic time at these meetups. And there's going to be regular meetups carrying on throughout the year, and I think these guys generally, if you follow their channels or follow their Instagrams, these guys will post regular meetups. So if you would like to come along to another meetup and just generally meet everybody and have a great weekend, I'm sure there'll be plenty of meetups in the future. There's a few Facebook forums and Facebook groups. We regularly go to a meetup on the south coast. It's the South Central Self-Builders meetup. They meet at a place called Lymington. There's a little campsite there, and we've been to 3 of the meetings, and I see some regular faces from people who go to those meetings as well. And what it is, as they're self-builders meetups, there's a lot of people who've already done their vans, but as well as that, people come along with a part-built van or a new van, and then they pull on the expertise of all the people there. And we actually build vans at those meetups. So if you're unsure about what to do with your electrics, or you don't know how to fit your solar, you can come to that meetup and you can pull on the expertise of other people who've already done it, like ourselves. We had a young lady come with an empty van not too long ago, didn't have a clue what to do. She had brought a fan and didn't know where to start. So we didn't do it for her. We gave her the tools and said, right, you can drill the hole there, there's the jigsaw, you've got to cut that. And she did it all herself with a bit of guidance, and then went away like totally elated that she'd actually fitted it herself. So that's what it's all about, people helping other people along this journey, and then hopefully at the end of it, you know, you'll get to experience some great travelling like we have done. So jump on those Facebook groups, there's plenty of them about, and I'm sure in the future there's going to be more groups in different locations all over the country that will start up. So if you're new to van life, or you know you need some help with your build, that's going to be the way to go. Definitely, it's a great community, and if you're struggling a little bit, or you know, a bit unsure of what you're doing, then pull on the knowledge of all the people that have already done it. Of course, this whole meetup isn't just about us. We've got all of our fellow YouTubers here, and these guys put out some absolutely fantastic content. I follow all of these guys regularly. So if you're not following these guys, then you need to be, because they put out some really excellent videos. And I'm sure if you come up and see them, if you're not already subscribed to them, I'm sure they'll get you on their list. So please do support these guys, because they put out some fantastic content. You did too. We're going to have a sort of question and answers, little sort of live free-for-all, if you like, where if you've got any questions on any aspect of van life or anything else, you can ask any of the YouTubers that are up here. Please don't direct them all at me. So yeah, if you want anything answered or you've got a question or whatever, we're going to throw it open to the audience and just have a little sort of live sort of Q&A session with you guys. So if you've got anything to ask, that's what we're going to do next. And then after that, you've probably seen now we've lit a fire pit out on the field just outside there. There's some tables and chairs out there. The weather should be dry, so you're welcome to use this room for the rest of the evening if you want to stay inside, or we've got the fire pits outside if you want to join us outside. But we really just want to get everybody together, have a really nice evening with you guys, share a couple of beers and have a real fun chat.
You weren't limited to 2 bits at the moment.
So that's about all I've got to say. I just want to again just say a massive thanks to everybody that's taken the time to come here, and I hope you really enjoy your weekend. And what I'm going to do tomorrow, and I advise everybody else does, is go and have a look at everybody else's vans, because you've seen my van on YouTube, but everybody else's vans here are just absolutely amazing. I'm blown away by the creativity that people have put into their vehicles, and it's just amazing. So I'm going to be wandering around tomorrow having a look at everybody's vans, so I hope you don't mind me poking my nose in and having a look at yours. So yeah, definitely get around everybody's vans, meet everybody, have a look at their creations, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. Cheers guys.
Disabled people down at the end, and I just popped in and said, and the plastic from the we're not solely on this. Instructions, just get out of the way.
Men don't need instructions. Push button, see what happens.
So they've jumped on down buildings, they've moved, splashed through puddles,
So we're in the van. This is Iram's van. I'll put all the links in the description below to her channel. She's invited us to come and have a look at her van. It looks absolutely amazing. It's really good. And there was a special message on the end of the van here, so just check this out. I hope you can see that there. It says Bon Voyage, Greg and Lou, all lit up on a string of lights. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, that's absolutely beautiful. Thanks very much. So it's Monday morning. Everybody's leaving now. The field's thinning out. Everyone's saying their goodbyes. But it's been an absolutely fantastic weekend. We met loads of new people. This whole van life community is just absolutely incredible. Some lovely people here. And really look forward to meeting everybody on the next one. Thank you to everybody for all your good luck messages and all your little presents and that. Really appreciate those, and I hope you're going to follow us on our next venture into Europe. Cheers guys, thanks very much.